Hi everyone, my name's Angie. Welcome to my channel where I like to do all things homemaking. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a mini remodel of our kitchen. We're going to be putting new flooring in our pantry and laundry room and making some new touches to our kitchen. This is the before picture of our pantry room floor. This is some stick-on tile that I bought off of Amazon, and this is the adhesive that we use to attach the floor. This is the picture of the process, and you want to start in the center and work out to the edges. We didn't do a full tutorial on this because we're not professionals. We just read the directions, looked at reviews on Amazon, and asked the professionals at Lowe's. But you want to make sure your floor is super clean before you do this. And then you just roll the adhesive on in sections using a cabinet roller. It's like a foam roller you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's. And you do one section at a time, and you wait a little while for the glue to get tacky before you start placing the tile down. So it was pretty easy to do, and this is what it looked like when we were finished. Now we're moving on to the laundry room. The laundry room in our house is the hot spot where if we don't know where to put something, we stick it in there. So it was desperately needing to be decluttered and reorganized. Here's after I cleared everything out. And we're gonna start by cleaning the floor good with a bleach water. And then we'll go ahead and start laying the tile. So we just laid the floor using the same process, and this is what it looks like. And here's what it looks like after I decluttered and reorganized everything. And this just shows a view of both of the rooms. Now we're going to go ahead and replace the light that hangs over our island. This light was here when we bought the house 7 years ago, and for a while I did like it. But since I film in here a lot, I wanted something that didn't block the view of the kitchen as much, because this is kind of a large light, and it doesn't hang centered above our island, it hangs centered in our kitchen. And so it's always been a little cockeyed. And so I'm going for more of a French country look in here, which is kind of what we have anyway, but I'm just going to add more details to it. So I'm excited to show you what I've picked out. Now we're just taking measurements to find the center of the island. And instead of having an electrician come and rewire the light and have to patch the ceiling up, we're just going to put a ceiling hook in and hook the chain over where it's centered. So this is the light we got. It's a whitewash on the bottom and on the candles, and then the metal part is bronze, so the white matches our cabinets and the bronze part matches the hardware on our cabinets. But I really like how it looks. It did take some time to get used to because the other one was so big. So this is what it ends up looking like. One thing that you see a lot in French country kitchens are different copper pieces. So I have a little collection of copper. Some of this I bought on Etsy, and some of it I bought at antique stores. And I'm just cleaning it good. And I looked around and read some reviews on getting copper cleaner. So I did find some on Amazon. It's called Twinkle. It's for copper and brass, and it did do a pretty good job cleaning these copper pieces. Now I just want to give you an overview of the kitchen for anyone who may be new here. This is what I'm starting out with. I've cleared everything out, and I'm getting ready to add some decorations. I found this inexpensive set of framed art on Wayfair. I picked it because I thought the colors complemented the copper pieces and also the blue in my walls, and it has kind of a French country look to it. I like to swap out my pictures that hang here for the seasons, and I'm hanging these close together because I'm trying to cover some nail holes from some of the other pictures that I hang here. I found this pot rack on Amazon, and I'm just gonna hang my copper pieces here. I found this rug. It's from the Rifle Paper Company, and I found it on Wayfair. I believe you can put it in the washing machine. It's a 2x3 rug, and I tried to choose colors that would go with the blue and the coral. Now I'm adding kind of a dusty blue table runner that I found at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna place this basket with the doily in the center. I'm using my copper pitcher with some of my flowers that I've used before, and I decided to use all my white dishes for this because I wanted that more French country look. And so here I'm just adding some light blue napkins that have kind of a silver thread, metallic thread that runs through them, and I just wanted to make this tablescape a little more simple. And then I'm coming in with my clear goblets, and I'm just placing those around. And this is the final look of the table, and I really like the white and blue together. I like the simplicity of this tablescape. So now we're gonna move over to where the stove is, and most French country kitchens use a lot of wooden utensils. So I'm just putting this set of different wooden utensils into my little utensil holder here, which is actually a flower pot that I use for my utensils. I'm just sticking them in front there. I'm gonna move over to my pantry door, and I'm just hanging this cute little wreath on the door here. Now I'm gonna give you an overview of the whole kitchen now that it's complete. There's a close-up of the centerpiece. The kitchen island with the new light fixture. Gives it more of an open look to it. I've got my wreath hanging in the window. My topiaries. Wooden utensils. And then a view from this angle. And then another thing you see a lot in French country are baskets. Then I've got my bunny rabbit wreath hanger. And all of my blue and white pottery up here. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!